Today I will show you our huge Bangladesh garment factory. We're based in Mongla, that's in the southwest of Bangladesh, closer to the port and far from the chaos of Dhaka. It's less crowded, more structured, and perfect for building something long-term. We've got over 5,000 workers here, and the whole system is closely linked with our China office. All product development, samples, patterns, bombs starts in China. Then production moves here for bulk. All materials are shipped from China: fabrics, zippers, reflective tape, snaps, labels, even the poly bags. And we don't just send it out. Every shipment comes with bilingual documents, production guides, and correct samples. Because once things are on the ocean for 30-40 days, mistakes are expensive. Our main products are functional workwear, like raincoats, PU jackets, winter coveralls, high-vis garments, soft shells, reflective vests, even insulated jackets. These are not basic t-shirts. They need precision, they need structure, and that's what we built here. Here, one production line has 80 to 100 people. Each person focuses on one step only, like stitching the shoulder seam or top stitching a reflective tape. That's how we control quality, through deep specialization. Our Chinese engineers are here full-time. They help translate documents, guide the lines, train the team. It's not just production, it's knowledge transfer. We're bringing mature Chinese production experience to a young and fast-growing region. We have a big warehouse who can handle annual order. Some buyers come to us with the whole year order QTY. We produce the all and keep them in our warehouse and split the shipments. It is not a small workshop to handle easy products, but a factory with automatic cutting machine and template for the bulk production to make sure a precise fitting. We have a mature production team to organize the all workflow to make sure the biggest output. It is not a day work, but a longer working to make it true. Building this took years and lots of lessons along the way, but now we're proud of what we've built. If you're curious to learn more, just send me a message. Always happy to show you around, virtually or in person.